Jesse, what the fuck are you talking about?
Oh my God, I'm
Better watch out.
You better watch out.
Whoa. Look at Marty dance.
No, man, but we got to
Take you down.
But we got to get out of the road.
Hey,
Your
hey,
Hey, sluts out of the road. Sluts out of the road.
I gotta get on the road.
I can run.
Bye, love y'all.
I can run cross country if I wanted.
I was a pole
Jan.
Me too. Shan, I love you. Deb, I love you.
Fuck you guys.
Oh,
She said she wants to fuck you, Deb.
I didn't.
Deb, it's okay.
Deb said go home with her.
Deb, invite her over. Deb, hey, she's
Jess,
inviting you.
Jess, she wants you to come over.
Go, Jess. See
Jess.
what she wants.
I'm gonna pee.
Jess, see what Deb wants. See it.
I can't see. I'm blind. I'm blind.
See it with your eyes. See what
But
Deb.
I don't have eyes. Oh my God.
Not me.
Oh God. Please don't hurt her.
Not me.
She's
Deb.
valuable.
Jess,
Oh, she's so fat.
Jess wants me.
Oh, fuck you. I don't want that. I don't.
It's okay, Jess.
I'm just fucking with you.
Dude, your cousin is drunk.
What?
It's okay. It's okay.
I'm fucked.
Say I love
Cousin,
you.
your hat.
Where's your hat?
I want to take a
Jess, get out of the camera.
Where's your hat?
I lost it. Where's
Just
it
have your
going?
hat. Just have your hat.
I want you to tell
Jess is your ride or die because she has your hat.
Jess, get in the car.
No, get in the car. Okay, yes, ma'am.
No, get up. Oh my God.
Cousin, get in the car.
Get up. Okay, we're leaving you. Good night.
This is my car.
Good night.
Fuck you, nigga. This is my car.
Good night.
Yes.
Cousin, get in the car.